Hello guys, welcome once again to Traders Delight. How have you been and how's been your trading sessions? Hope you have been getting amazing results from all your trading activities. I welcome you specially to my channel Traders Delight, your one-stop channel for trading strategies and passive income. If you're new, I encourage you to subscribe right now and then turn notification bell on. Thank you guys for watching all the previous videos and for the comments, for the likes. Please like this video right now so that YouTube can make this video go viral. I'm about to talk to you about a strategy, and I think this is the fourth strategy in the 10-day strategy that we started, and this is an amazing strategy as well. And if you can see, as even as I'm explaining to you, a signal is about to be formed, but it's not yet fully formed, so I'm not going to take it because it's not fully formed yet. And that is exactly how disciplined I want you to take this strategy as well. If you're going to use this strategy, make sure that you are disciplined enough to use it. Now if you look at now, these are fractals, these are in the alligators, and then this is the awesome oscillator. So how do you use it? Now I want you to please note and take this very, very serious. If you look at here, the alligator is a special kind of indicator, and it is patterned with the nature of the alligator animal itself. Now whenever you see the alligator lines come together like this, it's a resting form, it's a resting stage. Most of the time you don't know what direction it's going, and then the reason for fractals, you're going to see it very soon. When you can see a fractal close either above this alligator line or below this alligator line, it's a sign that direction might be changing. So take for example, if a fractal is close below this line, might be a sign that it's changing. However, we don't want to be victims of a false signal like this. And this is a false signal can see. So that's why we are using the awesome oscillator to show us direction, and you can see that direction has flipped already. Now, but should we enter? The answer is no. Why? Because once you see like this, you must make sure that the alligator is ready to eat up the buyers before you enter. What do I mean? Whenever the alligator is spreading its mouth like this, these lines are spreading upward like this, the interpretation means that alligator is eating up the sellers, eating them up. So like this, now alligator is closing its mouth, it's not eating yet. So once these lines open and it's going downwards and it's spreading downwards, it is said that the alligator is now eating up the buyers. So once the alligator is eating up the buyers, and then you have a fractal below, and then you have the awesome oscillator going below the zero line, then that's the best way to enter and take a few candles. All right, so if you're scalping, just take a few candles and you're out of the market. All right, so that you are able to get it. So I explain again so that you guys can get it. This is the alligator line. All right, the most important thing you want to know is when the alligator line is sleeping and when the alligator line is active, is opening its mouth. So when the alligator line is this way, you can see the way it's spread, it's going upward. It is said that the alligator is eating up the sellers. So whoever is selling in this place is going to be running into a lot of loss. Why? It is said it is eating up the sellers. I can see now the alligator rested here. It's tired, it has rested, and now the alligator is opening up its mouth towards the buyers now. So it's eating up all those buyers. So whoever is buying here is going to be consumed by the alligator. So that's why once we see this up, we can see that the green line of the alligator has crossed the other two lines, number one, and the alligator have rested from buying, and now it's opening its mouth gradually to sell. All right, you can see though price has gone below the line, but that is not the only indicator that you need. Once you see that this has happened and the alligator is opening its mouth right now to eat up the buyers and price is here, you come to your awesome oscillator. the awesome oscillator, and then you ensure that the awesome oscillator is below the zero line. Make sure it is below the zero line. Once it is below the zero line, and we can confirm, we can see three lines, we can confirm it, 3 lines spreading out, then we can go in, take 5 to 10 pips, and you're out of the market. All right, this is a scalping strategy. Take 5 to 10 pips and out of the market. I hope you got the instructions, because this is very simple strategy and very powerful strategy if you use it. So don't fall the victim to the victim. Don't fall victim for the alligator, unless if you are a buyer here, the alligator will eat you up. Why? Because the alligator has rested here, and the alligator is now eating up buyers now. So, and this has confirmed to us, can see it is below. So if you wait for a while now and just go in now and take 5 to 10 candles, you are good to go, or 5 to 10 pips, you are good to go, and then you can exit the market. All right, so I hope you guys are getting benefit from here. So while we watch that, let's go to the indicator section so that you can know how it is set up. You can see this. So just 3 indicators are used. The going here, clicking here, and then you go down to add the alligator. So this is alligator settings. Alligator settings is the jaw period is 13, the jaw shift is 8, the teeth period is 8, the teeth shift is 5, the lips period is 5, the lips shift is 3. Please take note. Method is smoothed. Method smoothed applied to medium price. All right. Method smoothed applied to medium price, and you can see the jaw style is 3 pixel color blue. You can use any color of your choice. The teeth style is 3 pixel color red, and then the lips style is 3 pixel color green. All right. So once you have that all set up, you click done, and then you can add your fractals. All right, just add your fractals. I just put my 2 pixel color white so that I can see it on the black background I use, and then you go to the F plus and add your awesome oscillator. All right, add your awesome oscillator. So with that being said, you are good to go for a line width 4 pixel, and then you click done. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you understand this. You can see that the price is turning already. You can see price is turning already. So if we now we can see now it's turning. Alligator has started opening his mouth. You can see the green, can see the red, you can see the blue, and now this is where you can now go in now and pick the candles, pick the pips, and then you exit. All right. So let's pick the signal and just pick 5 pips. We are out of the market. We can get much more than that. Just pick 5 pips, and then we're out of the market. Or maybe just pick 5 pips and see. You can see the alligator has opened its mouth, and then from there we can come in. It's a sign that the alligator has started eating up sellers, buyers rather. Just opened its mouth, and then there's also Oscillator has told us that it's going downward. So we just entered, and then we are scalping for 5 pips, and then we are out of the market. All right. Make sure you use the lot size corresponding to your account. Don't overtrade. All right. Don't overtrade. Make sure you use the lot size corresponding to your account. So let's observe and see how it goes. Like I explained before, we'll explain again why we await our take profit. Okay, make sure that you have the settings properly done for the alligator lines. Like I told you, alligator line now has opened its mouth to start eating up buyers. It is eating up buyers like this, and see it's eating up buyers, and the awesome oscillator has shown us that the side of the trend has flipped to the lower side, has crossed below the zero line. So that's where we are comfortable enough to go in and pick our trades. All right, so please follow instructions, guys. Please follow instructions. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. And if you are watching this video right now, go ahead and like the video. It doesn't cost you anything. Support this video so it can go viral on YouTube, so that others can also benefit from it. All right, so you can see it's going gradually, and then the 5 pips is almost over, and you can see I'm using $1 lot size. So please don't use whatever will blow your account off. So this, compared to my account, is very very safe. Okay, so don't use what will blow your account. All right, so now you can see the alligator is opening its mouth. See the way alligator is eating up the buyers, some it will, so just go in. Since you are scalping, it's a scalping strategy. Just go in, pick 5 pips, and then you're out of the market. You wait for the other opportunity, or 5 to 10 pips depending on you. So I'm just picking 5 pips, and you can pick 10 pips if you want, and then you exit the market. All right, so the trade is still going, and we're almost at TP, and so that's just exactly how the strategy works. Make sure that you follow the settings, and you follow exactly the settings I did. And take note, if your background is not black, please use other picks, other colors for indicators, so that you can see what you are doing clearly. All right, so that you can see what you are what the market is saying clearly. You can see the alligator has opened his mouth now, and then it's eating up the buyers, now. So, and I'm sure many of you will wonder why it was called alligator. So, and that's, I just explained a part of it to you now, so that you can know. Okay, so our TP is almost there now, and I like to set automatic so that just close, rather than saying I want to go and close manually, especially when I have some other things to do. I just set automatic, it just close, and then I just but I advise that you monitor your trades. All right, monitor your trade. If you're using this strategy, it's a very powerful strategy. You can just use this and then milk the market seriously. Okay, so we are almost at our TP, and then we can just see the countdown going, and it's really amazing. It's really a nice strategy that if you apply, you're going to get amazing results from it. Just make sure that you follow all the instructions I've given. Okay, see that I told you I saw the signal form even before it's fully formed. So please, you can see, even with my experience in trading, I didn't just jump into taking it, and then I make sure that the instructions, the whole thing was completed. These instructions, I followed it strictly. So please follow it strictly, so you can get the benefit of following this. All right, so follow it strictly, follow it very strict, be very strict, and make sure you follow it exactly the way I've said in this video. Please don't skip this video. Learn, please invest in learning. That's how you can grow. Don't skip videos, learn everything. There are sometimes you might just get the last point at the end of the video, and yet you have skipped, or even the middle of the video. All right, we are almost at take profit. It will close anytime from now, and then that's just it. You can see we entered. So the market is referred. The alligator moves in the direction of the market, and then you can see that's it. So guys, if you got value from this, just like the video, subscribe right now, and then we'll see you in the next video. All right guys, take care, bye.